I am going to read English newspaper. Shaurya Samman 2025 Braveheart honored. CM Brajesh Pathak, several state ministers and senior police officials like ADG Law and Order Amitabh Yas were also present. Kartavya Sharma presented gallantry awards to distinguished police personnel including DSP Vimal Kumar Singh, DSP Navendu Kumar, Inspector Gyanendra Kumar Rai, Chief Constable Sunil Kumar, and others. Inspector Arun Rai was also honored for her pivotal role in the Mission Shakti initiative. In his address, CM Yogi highlighted the sacrifice of martyrs as the lifeblood of a nation, stating that such acts have always inspired society. He reiterated Prime Minister Modi's vision of making India a developed nation by 2047 and emphasized the Panch Pran, eradicating remnants of colonialism, honoring great personalities and respective security personnel. CM Yogi also invited everyone to the Prayagraj Mahakumbh, describing it as a symbol of India's cultural amalgamation while emphasizing the contributions of India soldiers standing vigil at the nation's borders in extreme weather conditions, whether it's 20 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, or 10 degrees Celsius. Our soldiers guard the borders tirelessly. The police forces ensure safety through constant patrolling, instilling a sense of security among the public. A society that fails to honor its armed forces and martyrs' families neglects its national duties. He noted. CM Yogi also acknowledged the valor of participants in the 1965 and 1971 wars against Pakistan and other domestic operations. He asserted that security is a prerequisite for a civilized society and that governance is key to maintaining this security. ADG Law and Order Amitabh Yas, speaking at the event, expressed pride in Uttar Pradesh's strengthened legal system, stating that organized crime has been eradicated and remaining small gangs have fled the state on security arrangements for the Mahakumbh. He also assured that advanced surveillance technology would monitor all movements in the fairgrounds. Deputy CM Brajesh Pathak echoed these sentiments, noting the state's rapid development, improved electricity supply in all districts, and a focus on infrastructural growth on Mahakumbh preparations. He assured that security, along with comprehensive health facilities for pilgrims and tourists, is well in place. As the event concluded, Dr. Aishwarya Pandit Sharma, chairperson of the Sunday Guardian Foundation, thanked CM Yogi Adityanath for supporting ITV's efforts. He said that ITV network would continue its mission of honoring the nation's heroes through Shaurya Samman events nationwide. Dr. Sharma also commended the Yogi government for making Uttar Pradesh crime free and corruption free since 2017. Thank you.